So I completely failed my roller set the other day. I'm gonna show y'all like a quick snippet of it. Very embarrassing, very much ugly. So I'm gonna try again today. I already got different rollers and I got different boosts. I got a lot of body boosts. If you know, this stuff is OG. It's good. But I washed my hair last night, so it is freshly washed and I split it into braids so it wouldn't tangle back up. Alright. But I am going to have to re-wet just a little bit to add the conditioner in and of course the mousse. I'm gonna try to be. Sometimes I feel like when I wear out brown, I'm giving you kids. I don't know. I love browns and fall, so I don't care. To make this easier, one thing I did learn from last time, my hair is so soft. I'm gonna put my hair in 4 parts. Cause when I tell you I was struggling the other day, granted I got the 360 mirror behind me, which I'm gonna turn around so I can see what I'm doing. Let's see. This thing is a little finicky. I don't even, there we go. Whoop, wrong side. I'm trying to part this side. Okay. Go here. It's not gonna be perfect. Okay. Wait a minute. Am I tripping? No. Oh, it's just my hair is moving. I'm like, something ain't right. Alright, I'm going to apply my conditioner now, and I'm going to just do it on one big part. Because I was doing individual parts the other day, and I was struggling. Let me put this up here to make it tighter. Sweat. I don't think I'm getting soaking wet. Well, we'll see. You do need it real wet, like damp, to get it to set right, especially the conditioning. I'm like, where did my comb go? This is the Mazzani press agent. This is what I use whenever I do silk presses on my head. It actually works really good. My hair is pretty much detangled. Normally, if it wasn't detangled, I would take a wide tooth comb. But since it is, I'm just gonna comb through with this to get it to lay down. Oh. Might need to get a little bit more wet. Well, let me see if I can smooth it down. Yeah. Take some loose. Can't even get it open. That might not be enough. Make sure my part is not too big, otherwise it's not going to do right. It's still hot. It might still be too wet. It's even I need to do 2 hours. But these rollers work way better. I will say that. Oh, my fan, I can't even hear me. But yeah, I think I still need to dry longer. Maybe 2 hours. Maybe, yeah. I might could do a cute little bit. But these rollers work way better. Ooh. Wow. Yeah, it's still wet. Even though I learned all this, but clearly I did not. But I'm still making it work. I need to stop doing these when I'm in a rush. That's the problem. Yep, these have the potential to look really cute. Ooh. I wonder how I I could like fix them without having to re-roll. If that makes sense. Oh. Wow. They're gonna copyright me and I ain't gonna be able to post this video. Since when does TikTok copyright music playing in the background? This one definitely not wet. I mean, dry. Why did my hair take so long to dry? It's really annoying, actually. Yup. I don't even know. Oh, I'm watching the comb and say the dang shower. Let me find another comb to use. This is getting Shirley Temple. I will do because it's. No. Well, for the sake of time, I'm finna try to do an updo because I'm not finna mess up my hair. I mean, it's already. I'm not gonna say what it is. Well, I'm gonna have to finesse this. Yeah, I gotta dry for 2 hours at a time because no. I'm not gonna even from this style though. Because I can see it has great potential. I just need to dry longer. I need to figure out how to figure out if my hair is dry without taking it all the way down. Okay. Let's get that updo anyway with the dress I have on. Hold on, because I can't record at the same time. I keep laughing. Because I don't like it. But yeah, it's getting an updo. And then we're gonna try again. And again and again and again. I know I'm getting better because look at this curl back here. Like what? This one is dry though. I don't know why the rest of my head ain't dry. I have to get another blow dryer because what I've been using is not it, clearly. Because how is this one dry but the rest ain't? I'm about to order one. So this is how I made lemons, not lemons. This is how I made lemonade with the lemons I had because I'm so mad. Like I think this is where I used to dry my hair and I thought that this would work better than the little thing. I just think I was being cheap. I didn't want to buy the other salon type of dryer. But I think I'm gonna have to because I feel like it only dried this portion of my hair. This is what I had to do. I'm so mad because I know my hair could look so cute based off of these back pieces. But yeah, I'm gonna lay my edges down more, of course, but a little bun it is.